All right, we got the new 2nd gen BAUER stack here. We got the bottom rolling box, the big toolbox, the small box, the compartment box. We got the milk crate, and of course, we got the drawers. Let's put it all together, take a look at, see what's what, all right? So first things first, the Gen 2, we got the clasps on the front rather than on the side. You got it like that. We got the tie down on the front. And then on the back, let's come around the back here. You can see we've got the new, more rugged handle spots for the tape measures. We got the cord wrap down there, nice big foot pedal, and of course, these are the extensions, go up and down, and oh look, it comes all the way out. Isn't that nice? One of the things I want to say about this, I'm a huge fan of the milk crates. A lot of great uses for them, but a lot of people don't like them because they're afraid that stuff will fall out. Well, in that case, unlike this, by the way, same style locks as last time. Look at this. They're not my favorite. They work if you gotta remember to press them in the middle, not on the sides. All right, take that off. Unlike that, unlike these, okay? There's the compartment bin. Come in here, lock that in. Look at, put that on top. That sits in there. And then like that, like that, like that. And now look, if you actually get it in there, there we go. Get it in there, and now it's got a lid. So that's an option. All right, let's take a look at this one real quick. We flip these up, open that up. We got the gasket, everything in there. Come in here, all the nice bins. Got double bins, dividers in there, all that kind of stuff. Lock these on. Unlock that. Again, you gotta unlock that. Pretty simple kind of thing. All right, this is the small toolbox. So it comes with these little nice clear dividers in there. It's got a living hinge that will eventually die, but you know, you got it for now. Make sure I unlock that, unlock that. Nice handle up front, locking spot, you put a padlock on it, metal hinges. Larger toolbox. This one's got the handle up top. Now, it'll mostly stay with the handle up. Then you got your dividers, screwdriver slots, other slots, slots on slots. Again, rubber gasket all the way around. And the bottom box, it will stay up. It has this tray. There you go, but that's not what you're here for. You want to hear about the drawer. All right, let's talk about this drawer system. We got 2 double drawers on the bottom box. Here's your lock mechanism. Good and locked. Unlock. Wait till you see this, all right? Those are silky smooth. I love that. I love that. We got metal on the side. I've tested a lot of systems, and you don't find drawers that smooth in these systems very often. I even like the latching system. It's got a spot over here for a label. All right, we can unlock them. Of course, these are all modular. You can put them in however you want. It apparently is necessary to actually put them in all the way before you shut them. That is what makes this box system. That is the end-all be-all of it as far as I'm concerned. Well, you saw it. I don't know what to say. I thought this day would never come. There are people out there who will probably respond in the comments who ask me, will BAUER ever come out with a drawer system? And I said, don't count on it. I didn't think it would happen. I didn't think they would do it. They've proved me a liar, but I'm thrilled about it because I have been down on this set, and there's some negative stuff to say about it, which is I still don't like the latching system. It's not my favorite latching system. Does it work? It works, but it's finicky, it's fussy, you get dirt and gravel in there. It can be a little bit of a pain. It doesn't ruin it, but there are better systems out there. But now at this price, with this many items that it has, it's got the big wheeled base, it's got the large toolbox, it's got the small toolbox, it's got the compartment box, it's got the double drawer system. They've got the crate system for it. That right there, that covers my essentials. That is, and if you've been around the channel, you know I have this rule. It's like, it's got to have all these, and they've got them. But let's talk about how much they cost and what they compare to other stuff on the market. So let's jump into it. All right, the new bottom box with the new larger 8-inch wheels, all the way around, it's $70. Now, I'm not talking about sale prices on any of this, okay? This is just straight, MSRP. We all know you want to wait for a big sale and stuff like that, which means it's just going to get better from here. But we're looking at this system with the new removable handle, the cord wrap, and the whole 9 yards. You're looking at $70. Not a bad price. The large modular toolbox, well, sale price $35, but the MSRP on it's $40. We got the small modular toolbox there. It's coming in at $30. And I will say this, to be fair, let me pull it up here. This doesn't feel small. Like a lot of them are small toolboxes. This is compared to a lot of the ones out there, I'd call it, as far as the depth of it, I would call it a mid-size almost. But, you make the call for you. $30. The BAUER System Modular Organizer, again, actually much deeper than most of the ones out there. In fact, my wife just commented on it. In fact, I had the Tough Built Stack Tech system for the longest time. I just got rid of it. It was great for around the shop, but I have other things, and I didn't feel like they were going anywhere with it. They kind of stalled when they got, when they lost over at Lowe's. Now they've showed up other places. They're a bunch online. They're at Menards and stuff, and that's great. I don't have Menards near me. So, but anyway, she commented that as she calls them, the snackle boxes, she likes to use them for taking to gym meet or wrestling meets and stuff, and she loads it full of snacks for the kids. This one, she's like even happier with this because it's much deeper, so she can fit like the full-size granola bars or whatever. I don't know what she puts in these things. Anyway, it's $40. Then we got the milk crate there for $25.99. I got to tell you, and I've said before, huge fan of these milk crates. When they go on sale, I will buy just those and use them for stackable storage for different kind of things. Use them in my storage unit and whatnot because they're stackable. They can interlock with just themselves, and when they're on sale, they're as cheap or cheaper than a good sized milk crate. So even if you're not in the system, those have a use unto themselves. Then we've got the new double drawer system here. And for $70, again, we'd all like it to be cheaper, but I got to tell you, the best drawers I've seen at this, close to this price range. I like the locking system. I like everything about it. I will say, I do wish that there wasn't so much used up space above it, but I get for the rigidity of the box, having the handle on the top, plus I get it, but one wishes, I guess, right? And then they got coming out, if you've seen this picture, there's the compartment, the large box, the bottom box, the drawers, the milk crate style, the small box, and not yet out, we've got a bag, an interlocking bag system coming out. I don't have pricing or anything on it, but that's where we're at. Now, as far as pricing on all of that, I think it comes to, I have my notes here, comes to, as seen here, not just this, but the one in the whole video, all those parts together, that's $346, all right? And that's, then you get a 20% off coupon or something like that. This could really come down fast in pricing when you hit a big sale for this kind of stuff. Or if you can snipe at a piece here and a piece there, how a lot of people do. But what does that compare to what else is on the market? Well, of course, the number one you got to talk about is Packout. And if you look at Packout, and this is not in the same category as Packout, but we got to talk price-wise, right? Because there's a big boy on the block. You're looking at the triple tower there. So that's the rolling box, the large box, the small box, two of the drawer systems, a compartment system, and a milk crate. And I think, I might be missing no, we got the toolbox. It's in here. You're looking at $802 on that. So more than twice the price. Now, some people say, well, it's more than the price. These things are actually really robust. All right. Now, if you're going to build if you're a pro, if you're an HVAC guy or a plumber or any of those specialty kind of trades, an electrician, I know all the electricians I know, it doesn't matter what tools they use. They have, pack out systems in the back of their truck. By the way, pro tip, I don't know if you know this, but like if you've got a BAUER system, you don't have to put BAUER tools in it. There's no batteries to connect. A lot of people seem like, I have Milwaukee tools, I have to buy Milwaukee pack out, or I've got DeWalt tools, I can't buy the pack out. You can buy any of them. It doesn't matter. Nobody cares, except for maybe you. That's on you. Anyway, we're looking at $802 on that, which, again, it's a hefty little price. Now, I will say this. My favorite one that I've talked about, my favorite bargain level one out there is the DeWalt T-Stack / Craftsman VersaStack. Now, you can buy the same set in the VersaStack. Look at this. We're getting all 7 pieces, just like I've shown here, and it's $300.92. Now, I think there's some sale prices in there on that one. Like the main stack is $139. That's ridiculously cheap. There's a lot of great items in there. And the 2-drawer system is much shallower than this 2-drawer system. I have a whole bunch of them. If you can go back and see my other videos, I've got a bunch of the 2-drawer systems. I have to say, all things considered, this is at the same level, if not better than the T-Stack as far as ruggedability. Ruggedability? Is that a word? Ruggedability? Anyway, these things are tanks, all right? They're super resistant. I was thinking about grabbing a baseball bat and whacking it. I just couldn't find the baseball bat. Anyway, they don't have as many of the accessories. Like there's not all the DeWalt stuff you can add on to it. But the other thing is they're bigger than the T-Stack stuff. They're not much, but they're bigger width and stuff. So you're getting more out of it. But, you decide what you want. There's the VersaStack T-Stack system. There's this. I looked at the Husky system. Most of that stuff, I can't even find it anymore. I don't know what happened to the new Husky. There is the rigid system. It's got about the same kind of, accoutrement, if you will, like all the different pieces and stuff you can get. There's the DeWalt Tough System version 2, but that's up there with pack-out kind of pricing. Cobalt's coming out with a new system. Actually, it might not be out now. We'd have to take a look at that, see what they've got. Everyone's got a system these days. Will there be a Hercules system? I don't know. But let's talk about, though, the things that would be nice to have. And the first thing I'm going to show you is something I did, just kind of quick and dirty here. Let's take a look at it. That's a first pass, all right? I'm going to do a whole thing on it, and what you can do is, if you put it in the comments what kind of other 3D printed components and stuff you think I should make for these systems, now that they have what I consider a full system, I'm willing to do that. Let me know, and we'll see what we can come up with, all right? I'm pretty happy as a first pass, I thought it was pretty good. Got to adjust some things, make the forms a little bit smaller. There's a little stuff to do. I want to make it so it interlocks in the case so the form doesn't just pop out. But that said, some of the other stuff on my wish list is, let's go through at least my personal wish list, since I honestly didn't think they were going to do any more of these, and they're doing them. Well, while we're at it, Harbor Freight, can we get us some of this? How about a large single drawer? Instead of just the double drawer, a large single drawer. How about the large toolbox in a drawer? How about the rolling system in a drawer? How about one of these dolly systems? You've seen it before. I love the dolly system. Use it, around the workshop and stuff. Makes it really, really useful. Okay. The work top. I love my work top. It was one of the things I was really hard for me giving up with the Tough Belt. The bamboo work top on that, fantastic. The Tough Belt cooler. Getting one of these nice coolers. In fact, I got rid of my Tough Belt system. I kept the cooler. It's that good a cooler. I love it. I think I got a few more, and then we got the slim compartment organizer. The big compartment organizer is nice, but there's sometimes people have a lot of little things, and so they would like some slim organizers. It's not something for me. This is for everyone else. Okay, so Harbor Freight, that's on the wish list. If you could make that happen, just ASAP, just get it going here. That'd be great. If there's something I skipped, something I missed that you think they should add onto the system, put it down below. I will pester them again about the Hercules. I said they wouldn't do a Hercules system. I also said they wouldn't do drawers. There you go. I'll put links to all this down below so you can check it out. Just full disclosure, Harbor Freight did send this to me. They sent me the hat. They sent me all this stuff. It's not a sponsored video, but they did send it to me. So take of it what you will. Anyway, if you got any questions, put it down in the comments. I'll try to answer it. If you think we brought you some value, go ahead and chomp the old like button, smash that subscribe, ring the bell on the way out. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.